Welcome back to the next part of Journey. And we just got hit by a dragon, and look at us. Our scarf, we just got hit by dragons, and we paid the price for that. Ah! I'm just jumping. We escaped the dragon. My scarf, it's not doing too good. Well, thank you, buddy. We're finally back together after the most dangerous blizzard ever. This reminds me of Okami a little bit. Hey, there are these guys. I like them. They're cool. Warm me up, buddy. Hey, look, the jellyfish. Oh no, it's just seaweed. These guys will warm us up. But remember, we still don't have a lot of scarves, so it can't fly that long. And remember, we're still cold. We're still freezing cold. Whew. But we're gonna make it, I think. If not, both of us, one of us, hopefully. He's already been to the mountain. Doesn't mean he can't do it. Doesn't mean he can do it again. Yeah, I guess he can just gain health somehow. Thanks, buddy. Just warm up. No, buddy. Is he leaving? Is he leaving? Wow, I'm kind of psychic. That was kind of creepy. I said, well, at least one of us is going to make it. Then he just like sat down and almost died. Wow, that's creepy. Oh, this part, I hate this part. Oh, don't do that, Charlie. Whew. Good. Stay here. Buddy, no. Okay, good. Wow! Blizzard! Come here, buddy. Warm up. Ah! Okay, good. We're safe. Warm up. Oh my gosh, look at my symbols. They're sad and tiny. They're not as fun as they used to be in the desert. Get over there. Sorry. I don't know if I just changed the camera on accident there. What? I'm gonna fall. Or I can't talk. My symbols are too tiny. He might have thought I died. Okay, I'm getting my light symbols back because these things are helping me. Well, I actually think we escaped that tower. Now he fell down there too, wouldn't? Uh-oh. Buddy. This is the biggest symbol I can do. Okay, buddy. Let's go. Guys, the mountain is right there. Dragons are there. This is the final stretch. Whoa, this is cool. Ah, no! He's trying to jump. Look at my scarf. Our scarf has disintegrated. Look at that, we have nothing. This is the final stretch. We need to get to the top of this mountain. Look at us, we're weak. You can barely talk. Actually, oh no! Buddy! Oh my gosh, this wind is like pushing my guy back. But we need to get to the top of this mountain. I'm getting there. I haven't come all this way for a journey that I'm not gonna finish. What the heck, sorry. Oh, I know, my characters are actually at the end, so this is actually in the center. There it is. Final stretch. My guy can barely move, look at this. I'm talking the best I can. Look at that, it's kind of sad. My head's down. Look how close the mountain is. Oh, dude, look at us! Look at that guy. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? Oh my gosh, look at this. Are you gonna make it? Not gonna make it? Come on, buddy. Let's go up the hill. It's not that hard. He's not gonna make it. He's dead. See you guys in the next episode.